Let's go get some training, boys. Y'all ready?
Oh yeah.
Get my game on, baby.
Get it. They want to get it.
We're in the swamps, though. We're in the swamps. We're getting ready to do some aerial target interdiction with bat defense, okay?
So every time you pick up a rifle or a pistol, you pick it up, you clear it, okay? So what I'm looking for is that chamber right there, that hole, to be empty. Not just going through the motions going, yeah, I'm good.
Up to safe?
Yeah.
That's a safety?
Up back here safe, it's pointing it, so actually horizontal safe, that's fire. So when you're shooting, this will record, and it'll record you shoot bang, bang, bang,
Okay,
bang,
good,
bang,
I'll
bang.
take that. Okay, so Elena's here. Elena's gonna be giving instruction on how to use this, how to hit targets. She's gonna be setting the pace.
Yeah, all right.
Okay, look at her all loaded up. 4 clips on. Huh? Oh, she's ready, she's ready. She's so ready. Okay.
Let's get a helicopter for the office.
Let's do it right here, man. Pete, don't do pink on the 10X.
Ready, Johnny. We're ready for this, man. Dude, this is what happens when you're top producer of Grant Cardone's office. You get to come out here, you get to do all the right things. It's about cash flow. It's about hitting targets. Ready right now.
Hey, ready?
We're mag.
Work it out, hey.
America, dude. I love this country. I love this country so much.
If you guys would learn to hit your targets, you wouldn't have to waste your brass. And when you do waste it,
We're
you're just
driving
gonna
back
be
over
like
there, right?
super closing deals.
We just got done shooting roughly 300 rounds from a helicopter. These are our top producers over here. You do the right thing every day. You show up, you hustle, you write your goals down, you pound the phone, you do all the hard things, and you get to come hang out here with Grant and Elena. And hard work definitely pays off in the 10X squad. So Dave Romar's top producer.
Man. You gotta hit your target.
Always got to go after the target. It's hard to hit. You're out there, you're flying around. It's scary, but it pays off when you hit it.
Yeah, you gotta get frequent before you get good too. That's why we let off so many rounds, right boys?
It's the small things, man. Like up there, you got to get everything right to hit the target. So look, it's the small thing. It's never the big things. You got to push hard, man. Go harder than everybody else. 10x your goals, 10x your thinking. Every time you think you've almost hit it, you need to think bigger. Get big.
That's it. Thanks, Grant. Thanks, Elena, for bringing us out here. Come join us if you're out there, you think you can hang with the 10X squad, hit your targets with us. Send a 60-second video to careers@grantcardone.com if you think you're capable of doing this with us every day. So thanks so much. Take care.
Just wanted to thank all our sponsors for setting this aerial target interdiction course up. I'd like to thank Elena Cardone here for reaching out and setting it up for her 10X team. Appreciate it. We're Bat Defense. We're doing firearms training for military law enforcement and now civilians, and you can find us at batdefense.com, Facebook, and Instagram.
And I highly recommend this for corporate events or corporate occasions. It was such a team building experience for us. I'm so glad we had this opportunity. We are just so jacked up. It was an amazing, amazing course. We were so filled with adrenaline, yet everyone felt safe the entire time. The helo was amazing. The targets were super cool. It was just a very, very fun experience, and I'm glad that you were here to let civilians like us in on the action. It was really super cool.
Absolutely. Thanks, guys. See you out here.